The Tata Nexon's infotainment system can sometimes freeze or get stuck in a reboot loop, especially after software updates or in high heat conditions. These issues are often caused by memory overload or corrupted software. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, attempt a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 minutes. For more severe issues, a master reset through the system's hidden menu may be necessary. Be aware that this will erase your saved settings. Make sure your system is up to date and avoid multitasking during drives. Over-the-air updates are crucial for maintaining system stability, but they can occasionally introduce new bugs. If an update causes issues, check Tata's official channels for rollback patches or fixes. As of September 2025, firmware v2.8.1 addresses many of these problems in post-2023 models. To prevent future problems, regularly update your system, use high-quality USB cables, and avoid using unofficial apps. According to Tata Motors, service center visits related to infotainment complaints have significantly decreased due to recent updates. If problems persist, consider visiting an authorized Tata service center for professional diagnostics and repair. Remember to back up any important data before seeking professional help.